Hi, good morning everyone. I hope you're doing well. Dear students, last lecture we talked about the syllabus, the unit 1, strengths, drawbacks, and how we're going to prepare, then the presentations of introduction, and how we are going to learn extempore, how we are going to do it. All these things are done in XCS Lab or Career Skills Lab. Today I'm going to talk to you something about SWOT. SWOT analysis, you might have heard about this word SWOT analysis. If you have not, let us discuss it. In SWOT analysis, S stands for strength, W is weakness, O is opportunity, T is threat. So strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. But now the question, sir, why SWOT analysis? What is SWOT analysis? Why is it? SWOT analysis is done or needs to be done when you have some goal. As soon as you set a target, as soon as you set a goal, SWOT analysis starts working. You should have a goal. You have come here to pursue engineering. It means you have already put your objective, what you're going to do. And this is not a small target. You are pursuing engineering or any other course you're pursuing. It is not a small target, that a daily task or a monthly task. But this engineering or architecture or management, whatever course you are pursuing, it is going to be your bread and butter in future. It is going to be your profession in future. And that's why for big objectives or goals, we have to go through an analysis, SWOT analysis we call it. So as soon as you set a goal, or let me exemplify it, you want to go to Delhi. As soon as you set a target that you need to go to Delhi, you want to go to Delhi tonight, what you do is you start thinking how you are going to reach your destination, right? So you will go by bus, by air. And if you go by air, do you have enough money for that? Have you booked your tickets or not? All that things you need to do. So as soon as you set a target or a goal, SWOT analysis starts working. Now, SWOT analysis in terms of interview, because whatever we are preparing here, that is just to crack an interview, or not just to crack an interview, to understand ourselves properly, so that the target we have set, do we really deserve it? Or we have already set it. We have started pursuing this course not because of our will, but because of our parents or somebody else has suggested. Now I am into this profession, into the study. What should I do ahead? How I should prove myself that yes, in this field also I can be successful. That's why SWOT analysis. In an interview, you might be asked questions like your strengths and weaknesses. Why don't you tell me something about your strengths? Could you discuss your weaknesses? So such questions are given by the interviewer, and sometimes we are unable to answer them. And that is why we are discussing SWOT analysis here. My dear students, strength, let us discuss strength first. Strength means something that makes you different from others. We are born with different qualities. Do we really understand those qualities? There are many people, they really don't know what they are best at. Not good, not better, but best. Yes. What makes you different from other people? If I want to be a cricketer, not a good cricketer, if I want to be a cricketer, it means I know I am a good bowler. And I'm so much confident about my bowling that I know in this city, when I bowl in any cricket match, I can prove myself, yes, I am different. This is my strength. Or strength, you can say, that pushes you to your goal, to that destination. You want to be a cricketer. What is that reason you want to be a cricketer? You are a good bowler, you know it. You have proved it so many times in matches, in cricket matches, and your friends also compliment you on this quality. You might have different qualities, but this one quality or these two qualities that make you different, or you dream just because of these things. You can dream to be a cricketer or an entrepreneur because you know you do have this X factor. This is what a strength is. Strength is not a positive point or weakness is not a negative point. No, it is one of the qualities, but one of that best qualities. You want to be in market, you want to establish yourself. What is that factor? What is that firm base of yours? You can place yourself, you can survive in that market, your strength. Weakness, weakness, the second point. Weakness is not any negative point. It is not something you are not fit somewhere or your eligibility. If you are 24, you cannot join army. That is eligibility, that is a different thing. I am talking about weakness, and weakness means something that is missing in your personality. Some quality is there. It is only 5% or 10%, but it should be 60 to 70 or 80%. I am a good bowler, my strength. And I dream to be a cricketer because of this quality. I am a good bowler. But I have a weakness. I cannot run for 2 hours continuously on a playground. And especially during summers in Kolkata or you can say Bangalore cricket stadiums. So I cannot run for 2 kilometers or 2 hours continuously. That is my weakness. To be a cricketer, I don't require to be a bowler only. I will have to run the whole day. My weakness. It doesn't mean that I cannot run. I do run, but not for 2 or 3 hours continuously. So my stamina to run for a long time, my weakness. Weakness is something that is becoming an obstacle while going to your target, towards your target. You want to go to your destination, something is trying to pull you back. That is your weakness, and this is your quality. I'm not talking about people around you, they demotivate you, demoralize you. No, it is only you. You need to understand that qualities or that habits of yours that are becoming weaknesses to you. So that weak points you need to improve, and you can be a good cricketer, or whatever your target is, you can achieve your targets. O stands for opportunity. My dear friends, please do not pronounce it opportunity. It is opportunity. Opportunity. English, good English in terms of pronunciation also. We'll talk about pronunciation some other day, but opportunity. You are working on your strengths and weaknesses, but you don't see opportunities around. You just waste your time, it means. Opportunity means respecting time. Possibilities around you. You are trying to be a good cricketer, you want to be a good bowler, you are working on your stamina, but now you are 24, 25, you have improved your weakness. So there is no benefit of that strength or weakness now when you cannot join cricket, or you cannot join Indian Army, you cannot join ND or CDS, you cannot, because you didn't see what are the possibilities around. So opportunity, and as far as opportunity knocks but once. You do not open your door, opportunity will go somewhere else, and some other person will open that door and will get it. And as far as opportunity, my dear friends, opportunity is not gained, it is grabbed. Yes, it is grabbed. You cannot go to the market and you cannot ask for any job or any business or any profession. You'll have to grab it. You'll have to struggle for it. You'll have to fight for this. What you are doing, so many people are doing that. The same thing. You are building an app, so many people are there, but you will have to grab it. You need to find those ways how you can grab those opportunities. Opportunities are there in markets, not like opportunities are not there. There are so many options and so many things to do, but you need to approach and you need to grab them. Opportunity, very important point. Like a heron. What a heron does in water, concentrates for 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, and as soon as a fish passes, it grabs it. So that concentration is required. So concentration, meditation, very important when it comes to opportunity. Threat, the last point, unplanned things you do not plan, like coronavirus nowadays. You might have planned a big business, you had already put your money, you had invested your money, but suddenly what happened? Coronavirus and everything went into vain. So threat is something that is not planned. That is for your tough days, difficult days. You have already saved some provision, that is fine. If you haven't, it creates problems. Now it is threat, I think, the best example nowadays in front of us. But threat is the last part. Strength, weakness, opportunity, initially, then threat part. So SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Let me give you an assignment now. I want you to describe your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities. Threat I'm not talking about. Opportunity, if you're confused, sir, opportunity means what are possibilities? Whatever you are doing, you are working on an app, you want to do something, what are those possibilities where you can apply your knowledge or skills, what you have? That is opportunity, how you can find. If you want to be an army officer, what are possibilities? What are the ways to reach your destination? Do you already know about it or you don't know at all? So at least strength, weaknesses, and opportunity. I have already defined the terms, what strength or weakness is. If you have questions, you have not understood it yet, you can send me questions. I'll try to simplify that. But next time I will come up with a test where I want every student to talk about his or her strengths and weaknesses. Whether we go live or I'll let you know how you can do that, how we can interact this way. I think this is sufficient. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.